Dear students, now we shall discuss about activity based costing. It is chapter 5 of cost management. In this case, introduction to activity based costing. In case of traditional method of costing, cost of a product is calculated on the basis of estimations, that is factory overheads based on direct labor, office and administration overheads, and selling and distribution overheads based on factory cost. These estimations are more or less becomes actual expenditure, but in activity based costing, cost of a product is calculated on the basis of activities engaged to produce a product or rendering a service. The basic concepts are: 1. Activity. Activity may be defined as a particular task or unit of work with a specified purpose is called activity. For example, placing of an order is an activity, setting up of mission is activity, and receiving inspection of materials. These are different activities. Next, number 2, cost object. Cost object is an item for which cost measurement is made is called cost object. For example, a product, a service, a job are examples of cost object. Next, cost driver. It means any factor which causes the changes in the cost of an activity is called cost driver. Next, activity cost pool. It means total amount of expenditure incurred for each activity performed for producing a product or rendering a service is called cost driver. Next, activity based costing. It is a system in which calculating the cost of each activity and assign the cost to cost object on the basis of activities undertaken to produce each product or service is called activity based costing. It means step 1, calculation of a cost of different activities and assign the cost to the different activities engaged to produce a product is called activity based costing. Next, cost driver rate. It is calculated by applying the following formula: cost driver rate is equal to total cost of an activity divided by cost drivers. Next, the table shows different activities and cost drivers. These are the basis to calculate cost driver rate. First, main activity, cost drivers. Purchase order is divided on the basis of number of order processed, number of receipt of materials, number of inspections. Next, production, number of machine setups, number of units produced, number of supervisions. Maintenance, number of maintenance hours, number of machine hours. Research and development, number of research products, personal hour of a project. Packing, number of sales deliveries. Testing and inspection, number of hours of testing and inspection. Quality control, number of production runs. Deliveries, number of kilometers travelled. Product handling, number of units sold. Customer purchase ordering, number of order processed. Customer visits, number of customer visits. Then we shall discuss about problems of 6 marks. Problem 1. From the following details calculate cost driver rate. The activities are setting up, purchase of material, customer visits, deliveries, product handling, customer support, customer purchase order processing. So, column 2, total cost of different activities, cost drivers, cost pools are given. Then solution, calculation of cost driver rate. First we shall write formula to calculate cost driver rate, that is total cost of an activity divided by cost drivers. Cost per setting up equals 10,000 divided by 100, that equals 100 per setup. Cost per order purchased is equal to 2 lakhs divided by 50, that equals 4,000 per order. Cost per customer visit 30,000 divided by 40, 750 per customer visit. Cost of deliveries 4,000 divided by 80, 50 per kilometer. Cost of product handling 50,000 divided by 10,000, that equals 5,000 per unit. Cost of customer support 80,000 divided by 10,000 units, 8 per unit. Cost per customer purchase order processing 9,000 divided by 450, that equals 20 per processing. This is calculation of cost driver rate. Next, problem 2. Using the following data, calculate cost driver rate and activity cost charged to product A and B. Here activities, cost drivers, product A cost drivers, product B cost drivers, cost pools are given. Then solution, step 1, calculation of cost driver rate. Cost driver rate is equal to total cost of an activity divided by cost drivers. First activity, cost per set of 20,000 divided by 50, within bracket to 30 plus 20, 30 relating to product A, 20 product B, then equals 400 per setup. Cost per purchase order 40,000 divided by 50, it means 20 plus 30, 800 per order. Then cost of deliveries per kilometer 80,000 divided by 500, that equals 160 per kilometer. Cost per customer visit 60,000 divided by 60,000 per visit. Cost of customer support 1,50,000 divided by 3,000, that equals 50 per unit. Next, step 2, calculation of activity cost of product A and B. First product A, column headings are particulars, total cost. Setting up cost driver rate is 400 into 30 cost drivers product A, that equals 12,000. Purchase of materials 800 into 20, 16,000. Deliveries 160 into 300 to 48,000. Customer visits 1000 into 20, 20,000. Customer support 150 into 1000, 50,000. Then total activity cost of product A is 1,46,000. Then product B, particulars total cost, setting up a rate common into cost drivers of product B 400 to 28,000. Purchase of material 8 into 30, 24,000. Deliveries 160 into 200 to 32,000. Customer visits 1000 into 40, 40,000. Customer support 50 into 2,000, 1 lakh. Then total activity cost of product B 2 lakhs 4,000. Next, problem 3. A company manufacturing product A and B using common facilities. The following cost data for a month are presented to you. In this case, particulars of product A, product B. Units produced, product A 1000, product B 2000. Direct labor hours per unit to 2 and 3. Machine hours per unit to 6 and 1.5. Setting up of machines 15, 50. Orders 18, 70. Machine activity expenses 3 lakhs. Setting up rate expenses 30,000. Expenses relating to orders 35,000. Calculate the overheads per unit observed under ABC method. In solution, step 1, calculation of machine hours of product A and B. Machine hours is equal to number of units produced into machine hours per unit. Then product A 1000 units, so 6 per unit, that equals 6,000 hours. So product B 2000 into 1.5, that equals 3,000 hours. Step 2, calculation of cost driver rate. Cost driver rate is equal to total cost of an activity divided by cost drivers. Activity 1, machine hour rate 3 lakhs divided by 9,000, within bracket 6,000 hours for product A, 3,000 hours for product B, then equals 33.33 per hour. Cost of setting up 30,000 divided by 65, that means 15 product A, 50 product B, 461.53 per setup. Cost per purchase order 35,000 divided by 88, it means 18 plus 70, 397.72 per setup. In the step 3, we calculate Overheads per unit of product A and B. Product A, units produced is 1000, particulars cost per unit total cost. Cost of machine hours, cost rate is 33.33 into 6000 hours per unit to 200, total cost 2 lakh, it is rounded off. Setting up of machines 461.53 into 15, 6.92, 6923. Purchase order 397.72 into 18, 7.15, 7159. Then total overheads 214.07, 2,14,082. Then product B, units produced is 2000 units. Particulars cost per into total cost. Cost per machine hour 33.33 into 3000 hours 1 lakh. Setting up of machines 461.53 into 50, 11.53, 23,077. Purchase order 13.92, 27,840. Then total overheads of product B 75.45, 1,50,917.